This deliciously spicy meal has what it takes to become a staple in your household. Learn how to make a satisfying Italian ziti with pesto with the help of this quick and easy guide brought to you by recipes.net. Into a blender, add the mint, basil, parsley, garlic, capers, plum tomatoes, freshly ground black pepper, red pepper flakes, and half of the olive oil. Cover and blend for 1 minute until it reaches a smooth consistency. Add the remaining olive oil, then continue to blend. Transfer to a mixing bowl, and with the ziti pasta in another bowl, pour over the pesto mixture. Toss until evenly coated. Stir in the grated parmesan cheese and adjust accordingly. Garnish with parsley and serve. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and turn on that notification bell to catch more easy and tasty dishes to try at home.